Hello guys, in this video we're going to see how to preview and present your work in InDesign. So this is the default view, and if you press W on your keyboard, you're going to see a more clean and less cluttered version, which basically allows you to have just a cleaner view overall. The thing with this option is that you won't see bleeds and internal margins and more granular options. So this is something that you have to consider based on your current situation and what you want to visualize and have present at that moment. So, but this is definitely something that a view that I use a lot when working with InDesign documents, and I just feel that it's really useful overall to have a cleaner look. Now, the other options that we're going to explore is the screen mode, and so over here you can select if you want to see the bleed, the slugs, and this is an interesting one, which is the presentation mode, which you can access by either clicking on here or just clicking on F in your keyboard, and you're going to see the preview of the entire option. Now in this video you're just going to see a small section of it, because that's my current recording. The screen is bigger, the screen that I'm working with is bigger than the recording, but in your case you're going to see it full screen completely, and this is going to be something that it's very useful, especially when presenting work internally. And let's say that the CEO, the co-founder of the company that you're working with is hopping by your desk and wants to see a quick preview. He's going to be able to see it quite easily if you just go F, and that's it. So yeah, this is the basic options. Now the other things that you might consider is the display performance. In my case, I have it in high quality because my machine can support the highest quality right away, but you can also consider using typical display or fast display, and you're just going to see the placeholder of the images. This is it for this video. Hope it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.